And this is my story. It was one of the hectic trips I've ever done in my life. Walking for more than 7 hours. Yes, 7 hours. Completely. I have 25 Kenya shillings remaining on me. So guys, I've been walking for 4 good hours from Jomvu. Right now I'm at this place. Bye-bye. On top up there, you can see the Indian Ocean. So that place is called Kibarani. You can see the ocean on the other side right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's been 4 hours and I'm tired. Guys, I quit YouTube. I quit everything. Man, I've been doing YouTube for the last 4 years. I feel like I'm putting so much into this, but you guys are not supportive. I'm not blaming you. Maybe because you might not have recognized my content. I'm a travel vlogger, traveling Africa, and my destination should be the other end. I'm trying to go to Likoni because I failed to catch my SGR train, the fastest train here in Kenya, and that's why I'm here. I ran out of money and now I have to walk back to Mombasa to go and find other means to get back to Nairobi. Guys, I have only 25 Kenya shillings remaining on me. 25 cents US dollars. It's never easy traveling. This is my first time ever experiencing this, and it is very tough, I must say. But I hope you guys won't be so mean to me when you're watching this video, because walking for 4 good hours, and I guess I'm just like halfway of the trip right now. Just from the Google map, you can see I'm just past the Changamwe roundabout. Guys, it's never easy to be a YouTuber. Okay guys, so I just arrived at this place in Mombasa. If you know the name of this place, just tell me in the comment section, because I just arrived at this place where we have a lot of flags and billboards, which small billboards just written Mombasa cement with different colors, but also there's a mixture of different colors of different flags of different countries. Like we have Uganda there, we have most of them I don't know them, but I know Uganda, I know Britain, there's United States. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section. And there's a statue right there of a Spider-Man. I don't know if you can see it. So this is me, still walking next to these many flags right here. I don't know what's the name of this place, but once you look on the Google map, you'll see Michel Courts on the Google map. It's right here. This building right here, it's Michel Courts. And as I was looking on my phone on the Google Maps, because I'm trying to use the Google Map to locate myself back to Mombasa CBD. I guess I'm not lost, because right now I'm in Mombasa Road. So I guess I'll get there in time before it is too late in the evening, because right now it's 12:06. So that's been like 4 hours and a few minutes just trying to walk here, but I'm very tired, guys. And I'm doing this because of you, just to show you the beauty of around the world. And that, I think this should give you a reason why you should subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share them with your friends, more so this video. Then I'm here at this well-vanished new road. I don't know what is the name of the road. We still have the flags on the other side. We have a guy peeing down there. Funny, right? Oh, guys, still a moment here. Still walking. But anyway, I think I'm trying to explore Mombasa again. Although this is a sad story I'm telling you. I think me trying to walk for these many hours, because right now I'm going to finish my 5th hour, still walking, trying to be able to reach the CBD. I think this will give a lesson to all the YouTubers and the content creators who want to venture in traveling in future, that it is never easy, but you can still do it. In one day, one or the other, I have to get back to Nairobi. I don't know how. I don't know how, guys. But I believe that I'll find a way. You guys love me, you can support me. My phone number, my PayPal account is down in the description, so you can support me. But anyway, the ocean comes up to this point, and there's these ladies here. This is how people used to carry during those olden times. Yeah, that's how people used to carry things during olden times. It never gets old here in Mombasa. Although I haven't gotten to Mombasa yet, but I believe we're almost there. Oh, there is the board telling us the name of this road. It is called the Makupa Bridge. I'm right now in Makupa Bridge. There's a sign right there which connects this part of the lake, of the ocean, with the bigger part. So there is a smaller part of the ocean on that side, and there is a bigger, I mean the smaller side on that side and the bigger side on that side. So, and I'm here trying to continue to walk my how many hours, I don't know. I don't know, I'm even tired. I cannot even have the energy to talk very well, but you bear with me. Here where we have these elephants, Makupa, I don't know the name of this place. I'm guessing it's called Makupa. I'm finally here at the CBD. So this place I am at is called Saba Saba. It's mostly where you come and get transport if you want to go to second. So as I was saying, so this place is called Saba Saba, and it's been like 7 hours right now because it's around 2. I've been walking. You can see I'm sweating, guys, because I've been walking for hours. So I'm finally about to reach where I'm going, because I'm going to Likoni ferry. Not very far from here. And you can see the houses, they're just blue and white here in Mombasa. Just blue and white. Hope you guys are enjoying this video, even if it's a sad one. The sad part is I just got lost. I don't know where I am right now. I'm in this rounded ovalish place, roundabout. But anyway, it's a beautiful place inside here. It is beautiful. But I'm lost. Let's see if we can find a way. My Google map is not working because I don't have data. My data just finished and now I'm here trying to use my own means. If I get lost so much, I would just ask locals. That's the best way to find ways. They have said if you've never been to Mombasa, if you've never been to this place, guess where this place is. So this place is the, what do you call it? The elephant, whatever. I don't know. How do you call them? The horns? How do you call them? So here they are. Me getting lost has brought me here. Finally I can say I've been to Mombasa since I've been here now. So I guess me not being able to get back to Nairobi got me opportunity to move more, and even the walking, although I'm very tired, got me to places that maybe I might not have gotten when I was doing this trip. I'm on the other side of the ferry, just finally crossed. I'm here in Likoni, the real streets of Likoni. This is how they look like. So these streets, they are not safe. Someone told me I should not be popping up my camera everywhere, also in this place. So I'm just gonna show a little bit, then I'm gonna put up my camera because it's very expensive to just risk it for a video. The good part about this video is I'm finally here, almost to my destination. Guys, just support me. That's the whole point about this video. You should appreciate all content creators. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and comment.